Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Uwandindlovu has been trending a lot lately. Okay, so this is after the interview that was done by her friend on a podcast here on YouTube. This particular friend, I'm not sure if they're still friends or it's ex-friend, but they were on the same show, and her name is Ulebu. So Ulebu exposed everything that is happening in Nigeria. A lot of people have been seeing Uwandi flourishing in Nigeria. She is just living her best life, and there was also a time where she disappeared on social media. She literally disappeared, guys, and then tried to, she tried to come back, but she was not fully back. But Kesana umngani wakhe Ulebu was invited on a podcast, and she exposed ukuthi girl is held hostage there. She can't come back because she owes the Nigerians money for the BBL, for the stomach, and for the nose also. And after that, girl was trending, and then now she has started posting, guys. She has started posting a lot recently. Okay, she is now posting vlogs. She started by posting this picture and wrote a caption about a country I fell in love with, and people in the comment section were coming for her. But girl, you are now posting these things because they exposed you what is happening there. So you are trying to convince us that you are happy, and then some people were even suggesting, hey girl, I think they did something to your tongue, because there's this thing that is happening, guys, where they are cutting people's tongues for rituals and stuff. So Kuma videos wake, she no longer speaks, guys, and she is just posting reels there and not saying anything. Maybe she doesn't want to speak. Like, I don't think it went that far. No, I don't think. But people have been asking, what happened to your tongue? You don't speak anymore. And they're also saying she only replies to people who criticize her, but doesn't reply to comments. So people are saying, girl, you are giving mean girl energy these days. Like, what is happening with you? You are so mean. You don't even say thank you to compliments. And now you are posting a lot. She's posting a lot, trying to convince people that she is happy. And guys, maybe she is happy. You never know. Maybe she is indeed happy.